Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right now. Ground yourself with an ESD strap and move to a bright, clean bench. Use a magnifier and the mechanical pencil tip, no lead, to sleeve each bent pin gently. This lets you control motion without crushing the pin. Once done with rough alignments, use fine tweezers or a sewing needle to nudge pins into row alignment. Take photos as you go so you can reorient if needed. Make sure not to apply sideways torque that could shear a pin. Now you focus on the middle work. Pick one row and use the neighboring straight pins as the alignment guide. Slip the mechanical pencil tip over a single pin and rotate and lift in tiny increments. This prevents springing back or breaking. Once a group looks parallel, use oblique lighting to reveal tiny tilts and correct them with tweezers. If pins twist, back off and reseat with the needle. Patience here avoids permanent damage, so pace yourself and recheck frequently. Finish by cleaning the CPU pads with 90% isopropyl alcohol and letting them dry. Then align the triangle marker and lower the chip straight into the socket. No rocking, apply even pressure. Power up and watch post behavior. If it boots, run stress and connectivity checks. If the board fails to post, make sure no pin is touching another and recheck socket for damaged contacts. If a pin is snapped or symptoms continue, stop and seek professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.